So in this video we will be learning about Euler's theorem on homogeneous function. So let's solve this. What is Euler's theorem? If u equals to f of x, y is a homogeneous function, is a homogeneous function in x and y of degree n, then the Euler theorem states, then the Euler's theorem states that x curly u by curly x plus y curly u by curly y is equals to nu. So let's solve an example. So suppose we have to verify Euler's theorem for u equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. For Euler's theorem, the basic condition is u equals to f of xy is a homogeneous function. So first we have to prove that u equals to f of xy is a homogeneous function. Let u equals to f of x comma y, that is equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So this will be, so we have to prove homogeneous. So f of tx comma ty is equals to a tx square plus 2h tx ty plus b ty square. So that will be equals to a t square x square plus 2h tx, this is t square xy plus b t square y square. So that t square we take common, this is ax square plus 2h xy plus by square. So thus the function is homogeneous of degree 2. Now this is the, firstly we will have to prove that this function is homogeneous. Now we have to apply this theorem, x curly u by curly x plus y curly u by curly y equals to n u. So x curly u by curly x plus y curly u by curly y is equals to, what is our n2 and u. For to verify Euler's theorem we have to prove this. So what is x here? Let's solve this. What is curly u upon curly x? Curly upon curly x of ax square, a we will take out, curly of a will take out, plus 2hy curly upon curly x of x plus by square curly upon curly x of 1, that is equals to a 2ax, x is 2, h x is 1, 2hy plus 0, that is equals to 2ax plus 2hy, 2ax plus 2hy. Similarly curly u by curly y is equals to what? Curly by curly y of whole ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, that will be equals to curly by curly y, a is a constant, that's why we, and ax square is a constant, that's why we take it out, plus 2hx curly by curly y of y plus, this is b is also constant, b curly by curly y of y square, that is equals to 0 plus 2hx plus 2by. So that equals to 2hx plus 2by. This is what? Curly u by curly x, and this is curly u by curly y. So we have to prove what? X into curly u by curly x plus y into curly u by curly y is equals to what? N u. What is the value of n? 2. And what is the value of u? 2ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. We have to prove this equals to this. So x is what? X curly u by curly x is what? 2ax. First we will write it as solving LHS. X into curly u upon curly x is equals to what? We have 2ax plus 2hy, 2ax plus 2hy plus y, curly u upon curly y, 2hx plus 2by. So that is equals to 2ax square plus 2hxy plus 2hxy plus 2by square. So that equals to what? 2ax square plus, this is 2ax square plus 4hxy plus 2by square. Taking 2 as common, so this will becomes ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. This is our what? This is our LHS, and this equals to our RHS. So LHS equals to RHS. Hence the theorem is proved. So what was the basic steps? First step is we have to prove that equation is a homogeneous. This equation is homogeneous of degree 2. Then we have to apply this property. We have to x dot curly u by curly x plus y curly u by curly y, that equals to 2u. That is, curly u by curly x is partial derivative of u with respect to x. We find this partial derivative. We put these values in this equation, and we will prove our answer. Now the important question for this is now the important question for this is we have to verify Cobb-Douglas production function. Cobb-Douglas production function x equals to a l alpha k beta. We have to verify this. So let's solve this. First we have to verify what? We have to verify that this is an homogeneous function. Let a function of l comma k is equals to a l alpha dot k beta. So f of t l t k is equals to a t l alpha dot t k beta, that equals to a t alpha l alpha dot t beta k beta, that equals to a t alpha plus beta l alpha and k beta. What is t alpha plus beta? That is t alpha plus beta a l alpha k beta. So this is a homogeneous function. This is a homogeneous function of degree alpha plus beta. This is a homogeneous function of degree alpha plus beta. Now to verify Euler's theorem, we have to verify what? L curly x upon curly L plus k curly x upon curly k is equals to alpha plus beta into x. So that equals to what? X is our what? X is our a l alpha k beta. So curly x upon curly L what? Curly L is equals to curly upon curly L of a l alpha k beta. That is, we can take the constant terms a k beta l curly by curly L alpha. So the differentiation will be a k beta alpha l raised to the power alpha minus 1. So alpha a k beta l alpha minus 1. Similarly, curly x upon curly k curly upon curly L a l alpha k beta, that is equals to a L alpha curly by curly L of K beta, that equals to AL alpha beta K beta minus 1. So that equals to beta AL alpha K beta minus 1. This is alpha x by curly L. This is curly x by curly K. So x into this is L into curly L upon curly x upon curly L plus K into curly x upon curly K is equals to what? Is equals to what? We will be solving the LHS part. So L into curly L x upon curly L, that is alpha A K beta L alpha minus 1 plus K beta A L alpha K beta minus 1. Now we know the property that if we have a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n, that equals to, this is a raised to the power n, that will be equals to a raised to the power m plus n. So this term will be equals to what? L alpha A K beta, alpha L power is 1 and alpha minus 1, so alpha minus 1 plus 1 plus this is K 1 plus beta minus 1 beta A L alpha, so this is 1 to 1 cancel, L alpha alpha A K beta plus 1 to 1 cancel, K beta beta A L alpha, so this becomes alpha alpha L alpha A K, this is alpha A L alpha K beta, this is what? This is K beta, this is A L alpha K beta, this is beta. We can take A L alpha K beta is common, that will becomes alpha plus beta. So this is equals to RHS. So LHS equals to RHS, hence verified.